No, this was not how my day began. Let me show you really how my day started. Hello lovelies, welcome back. So today we're just getting our hands dirty with Joe, the ultimate rock star. He's a perfect welder. He does a great job, a fine job. You know, I love welding. I'm becoming really obsessed because welding, like life, it's we are trying to, connect the dots to build something so beautiful and make something beautiful out of life. That's why I love welding. It's just amazing, isn't it? Thank you so much for following. Please do hit the follow button if you haven't. Bye bye. So when we are done, the guys are going to paint this. They're going to polish it nicely, and you wouldn't believe how good it looks. I'm going to keep you guys updated. Yeah. Watch out for the next video.